Now, business activities, as I have said, was divided into two parts. One was industry, other one was commerce. Till now, we have studied about industry in detail. Let us study about commerce. What is commerce? So, commerce is that which is involved in all the activities from production to the distribution of goods and services. And commerce can also be divided in two parts. One is trade, another one is auxiliaries to trade. Trade, that is buying and selling of goods and services, is termed as trade. If you remember, the same definition was given for the business also. Do it mean trade and business? These are the synonymous terms. No, my dear students. Business, that is much wider, but trade is somewhat narrow concept. Business involves production and procurement of goods. Trade involves only procurement, that means buying and then selling of goods. I repeat, business involves production and procurement, means business में goods produce करके sale करना और goods को procure करके means खरीद कर sale करना, that is business. But in trade, goods को खरीद कर procure करके sale करना, that is trade. Production activities तो हमने industry वाले concept में पढ़ ली हैं. Now, for helping the buying and selling of goods, again I will say lots of activities are being involved, which we have studied as a part of tertiary industry. It is named as service industry also. It can be named as auxiliaries to trade also. Let us study in detail regarding the different auxiliaries to trade, or let us study in detail about little bit about commerce. So here you can see we will study in detail regarding trade also, various types of trade, but now let us come to the various activities involved in commerce. Commerce, again, buying and selling of goods is known as trade, and lots of activities these are required for the purchase and sale of goods. These are known as auxiliaries to trade. Commerce, I have told you that commerce involves all the activities which are related from the production of goods to the distribution of goods. What I am saying to you, yes, if you are observing that it is saying that our books are saying that commerce provides the necessary link between producer and consumer. I'm repeating same in by using different words. What I am saying that all the activities which are involved in production to the distribution of goods is known as commerce. So you can observe here that for the free flow of goods and services, transport is required, banking is required, insurance, and lots of other activities are required. Let us study little bit about these activities. So the first activity is, or I would say the first hindrance is hindrance of persons. As I told you that goods are being produced with producer and it is being consumed with consumer. So how the every consumer will get the goods? Will he go to the producer? No. What will happen? The producer will send all the goods to the market, and from market the consumer will buy the goods. So on the basis of market, The various persons, various parties will be involved. That is wholesaler, that is retailer. So this hindrance of person will be removed by trade. Producer will sell goods to the wholesaler and wholesaler will sell to the retailer, and then the goods will be sold to ultimate consumer. The next, now how the goods will be brought to the market? Definitely the goods will be brought to the market by way of transport. That means transport removes the hindrance of place. Tea is being produced in Assam, but it is being sold throughout the country. The goods, the tea, sugar, how the goods are being delivered, these are delivered via transport to various places. But one another question or one another hindrance is that the goods are produced at once, but these are consumed throughout the year, like wheat, rice, pulses. These are produced at particular point of time, but these are consumed throughout the year. Now the question is how these goods will be stored. This is the hindrance of time which is being solved by removed by the warehouses. The goods which are required at a particular point of time, these are being taken by the consumer, and the rest goods, these are being stored in the warehouses. In the same way, there is a hindrance of risk. If I have put the goods in the godowns and due to unwanted circumstances there is a fire, or the goods these are being transported from one place to another place, there is a accident, how the risk will be covered? Now the risk against goods will be protected by the insurance. So one is the hindrance, that protection of goods, how it will be removed, that is by the insurance of goods. Sometime for starting or for expanding a business, a businessman needs funds. How these funds will be arranged? These funds be arranged through banks as well as financial institutions. It is agreed that the goods are being produced with the help of banks, with the help of insurance companies. These are being transported. Now the question is how a customer will know that these and these goods are available in the market. So my dear students, advertising makes it possible that the goods from producer to consumer will be available. So these were the few hindrances which are being removed by the commerce. So commerce is said to be consisting of all those activities which are being removed for the person, place, time, risk, etc. Thank you.